Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add a link to an image in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, you can see all the website that you have created, and here you even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if you want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have created called YouTube Tutorials. Now let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here. And now this will open up the website in the page as you can see, and if you look at the left side of the screen, you'll see the option to go ahead and add new elements to your website. You can see your elements, you can group them into components right here, you can even see your site settings and so on. And if you look at the right side of the screen, you will see the option to style those elements and components that you have added. You can edit how they look. You have the style option right here, you have the element settings and so on. So guys, the first thing we have to do is to go ahead and add a link to our site. So we're going to do that by going up here into the upper left corner and click on the plus button right here and click on add elements. After clicking on add elements guys, now this will open up this new menu where you will be able to add multiple options. But you want to go ahead and look under basic and find the link block option right here. We're going to go ahead and click on the link block, and now this will add the link block to our website right here. As you can see, it will be added to the bottom of the page. So first we want to add which URL we want it to lead to. You can enter your URL right here, and after you're finished, just exit out and it will automatically be saved. So as you can see, we have now added a link block. So now what we're going to do is go ahead back to add elements, and we're going to go ahead and add an image. I'm going to go ahead and add an image. I'm going to choose an image. I'm going to choose this banana once again. And as you can see, now we're going to scroll down, and as you can see, we have successfully added the image. And it is, if you look right here in the navigator, you will see that it is under the link block. What you want to do is make sure that it is under the link block. It cannot be over the link block. You can just have to drag it under if it is not under. So what you want to do is go ahead and put it under. After that, you want to go ahead and move it around. You want to move it over the link block. So now people, when they put the mouse over the image right here, they will be able to click on the link and it will lead them to the other side. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.